Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up custom mode in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 in our modes and routines in our phone. So we will go to settings first, then modes and routines, and at the bottom we have our custom modes that we can add. We have one, but let's add one more. We can change name, of course, to whatever we want. Then we can also change color of the icon. We can change the icons. Then we can, of course, set up conditions to turn automatically. We've opened up by connecting Bluetooth device, time period, place, etc., etc. We can also set additional conditions here. We can restrict app usage. Let's say we are using Chrome and contacts, for example, done. And now you can see the restriction. There is an exception to our restrictions by the apps we were using. Here are other settings that we can change, add, delete, whatever. And of course we can change wallpaper so that we can at a single glance tell that our mode is active. So that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.